So what you want to do is download the app called PicsArt. And this app is really good for making stickers, making background free pictures. So what I do is I go on PicsArt to get a background for my intro. I just go on there, look at backgrounds, free pictures, color backgrounds, and I just choose whatever it is that I would like. So I'm choosing hot pink for this tutorial. So I'm just gonna save this picture to my camera roll so that I can use it. So then we're going to open up iMovie. Now for an intro, of course, you need to make at least a 15-second video. So I'm just going to stretch out the picture and make it around 15 seconds long for my intro for when I get ready to make it. So yeah, I use iMovie for that. And then I just save it as a video, of course, to my camera roll. And for saving it in a resolution, I just always choose 1080. I'm not sure if that part exactly matters. So then you will open up Pocket Video. Now, Pocket Video, this is the most simplest way, you guys, to make an intro video for your YouTube channel. So with this app, you choose the colored background video that you just made on iMovie, and you will use that to begin the intro video. So for this tutorial, I'm just gonna be freestyling things off top of my head. So I decided to use a palm tree. Palm trees, I mean, it's just something I wanted to put in the video. Now, remind you, when you are using a animated video, you always want to use a green screen. So I'm choosing a green screen palm tree. When you do that, you're going to place it in the video to your liking, and then you're gonna size it. You're gonna just make sure it's to your liking. And for the green screen, make sure you always mask the video so that the green screen will disappear and it will appear to your liking in the video. So you do that for any liquid animation that you want to use for your YouTube. So I'm going back to PicsArt. Remember, with PicsArt, I said that it's good for using background free stickers. So I'm gonna go to the background free selection, and then I'm just gonna type in a MacBook because for this tutorial I'm just gonna do a simple video. So I'm just gonna choose a little MacBook computer that I think that I would like, and I'm choosing the desktop. Now I'm gonna resize the computer because with videos, they're not always full screen horizontally. So y'all, this video is not edited. I'm gonna show you that I do make errors, and when I insert this first picture of a MacBook, I actually sized it wrong. Right here I'm just placing the MacBook, not MacBook, but the desktop to my liking. So I'm just making some adjustments to make sure it's how I like it. And right here I'm just gonna insert a video of me that I think would be cute for my intro that I'm using for this tutorial. Then I will just resize the video as you can see, when I resized the computer, I did not resize it properly. So, this part here did not exactly work out for me. So what I'm gonna have to do is go back to PicsArt and click on the computer again, and then I'm gonna try to resize it a little bit more to just fit the video. Now, I'm just doing this off the top of my head. You guys, it will take a lot of practice for you to perfect your intro videos. I'm still not an expert. I still do a lot of trial and errors. So, don't hesitate if you mess up or anything. So, I'm deleting the first computer that I resized. And I'm gonna go back and insert the computer that I made the second time. And I think I had ended up resizing that one to my liking. So as you can see, I'm gonna go back and insert the second one. Just place it in the video to where I would like it. And then I'm gonna go back and add the video that I want to use in my intro. And again, I'm just gonna resize it. And as you can see, this one worked out better. I could go back and resize it again, but didn't really feel like doing that. But, it still came out cute. So now that we got that part out the way, I'm just going to insert a text. You can put anything you want on your intro, of course. So because this is a tutorial, I'm going to keep mine pretty basic. Like I said, you'll have to keep playing around with it and find out what you like and dislike when it comes to editing your own intro. So I'm just going to put welcome to my channel. I accidentally moved the computer when I was doing the text, so that was the little error that you saw right there. So I just put welcome to my channel, and then I went down to font. I'm just gonna choose a font that I think is cute. Like I said, I'm just gonna keep it basic for a tutorial. And then after I choose the font that I want, you can go to colors, you can go to anything, make it to your liking. I'm just choosing a color that I think goes cute with it. So you will do that. Also, every time you add something to your video, make sure you are clicking the yellow check mark. That is something I failed to do in the video, and that is why my computer moved when I was trying to do my text. Now, I'm about to show you guys how you can add the animated like, comment, and subscribe. So you will go back to video sticker, click on YouTube, and then you will type in like, comment, subscribe, green screen, and that will pull up different like, comment, and subscribe animations that you can use to add to your video. I usually have to preview about at least 8 to 10 of them to see which one I actually like and that will fit my video. So I'm actually gonna end up probably inserting a few just to see if it'll look cute in my video or not. Resizing it, and like I said, you have to mask the green screen so that the green will disappear. Yeah, so that's what I'm doing right here. I actually did not like this one, so I'm actually just going to delete that one and try it again. Like I said, you guys, it's going to be a lot of trial and error when you're making a intro video. So previewing this one, did not like that one. It's plenty that you'll probably have to go through before you actually find one that you like. Thankfully, YouTube gives you a lot to choose from. So yeah, you have to have a lot of patience when making an intro video, unfortunately, so that it can come out to your liking. And as you see, you guys, I am still just scrolling, still trying to find one that I think I will like until I find the right one. I actually ended up liking this one, so I am going to insert it into my video. I'm gonna resize it. I'm gonna mask it, put it right over in the corner where I want it. Just resize it, make it a little small. And also, you guys, you can add anything you want to your intro video. This is just a basic tutorial on how you can get started on making your intro videos. And the very last part about making an intro video, you can go to the volume. You can mute everything in the video. Say if your video that you did insert into the intro already had like previous music on it. You just go to add music at the bottom tab. You can insert whatever song you want. The thing I like about Pocket Video is that they actually give you an iTunes preview, because I know on iMovie some had like previous music on it. You just go to add music at the bottom tab. You can insert whatever song you want. The thing I like about Pocket Video is that they actually give you an iTunes preview, because I know on iMovie some songs don't work in iMovie because they're protected, but Pocket Video actually gives you preview to songs. So I'm just randomly putting a song into my intro video. And you got potential, time is essential. All their songs will pop up. Study claiming that everyone preview them. Go back, try it again. Like I said, so I'm just like I ended up I'm closer. All I ever needed was some closure. Just to show you guys.